Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share with you how to prepare a boxed cake mix without eggs. I'm going to be using the Pillsbury chocolate cake mix for this demonstration. First, I want you to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to need 1 box of chocolate cake mix. Normally, a cake mix like this requires the use of 3 eggs, but instead we're going to use ground flax seeds. And we're going to bake this cake in a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, but you can use any size pan recommended. You're going to need 1/2 cup of oil. I purchased that oil at the Dollar Tree. Then you're going to need 3 tablespoons of organic flax meal or regular flax meal. On the back of this package, it shares how to substitute eggs. You're also going to need a hand mixer, measuring cups, measuring spoons, and a baking dish. You're going to take a little bit of the oil and grease your baking dish first. I like to just use a paper towel to spread around all the oil into all the crevices of my baking dish. Next, you're going to empty the entire contents of the chocolate cake mix into a mixing bowl. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of the ground flax meal. Then you're going to add 1 1/2 cup of water. This is a little more than the water required on the back of the package, so make sure you measure appropriately. Then add your 1/2 cup of oil, and then with a hand mixer, you're going to mix this cake mix for 2 minutes on medium speed. If you don't have a hand mixer like this, you're going to need a whisk, and you're probably going to need to whisk it for about 3 to 5 minutes consistently. You want to make sure that the batter gets nice and fluffy like you see here on the screen. This was after 2 minutes of mixing on medium speed with this KitchenAid hand mixer. Next, you're going to use a rubber spatula or some sort of utensil to scrape all of this batter into the prepared baking dish. Make sure you get all the batter out so you don't waste any. Then you're going to use the spatula to evenly distribute and spread all of your chocolate cake mix batter into the prepared baking dish. You want it to be nice and level and evenly distributed. Then once you've used the spatula, what I like to do is I shake the batter around a little bit in the pan. Then I give it 3 good taps down onto the surface to get any air bubbles out. Next, you're going to place the cake into your preheated oven and bake for 38 to 40 minutes. Insert a fork or a toothpick into the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, then your cake is ready to pull from the oven. Then you're just going to let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes or until the entire cake comes to room temperature and is no longer hot. Our cake baked up really nice and fluffy and moist and delicious without any eggs. Now I'm just going to cut some pieces and share with you how nice and fluffy this eggless boxed cake mix turned out. Check out my other video for how to prepare a vanilla or yellow cake without eggs, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. And make sure to subscribe for more plant-based baking tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Bye!